Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 14. The last link in the chain of distribution of goods and services is referred to as the A. Final consumer, B. Hawker, C. Manufacturer, D. Retailer, E. Wholesaler. So the concept you're looking at here is the chain of distribution, and the chain of distribution refers to the means or the channel in which goods and services move from the producers to the final consumers. And this channel is, or this chain of distribution is this way. So you have the producers first, who manufacture the good. Then after the producer, you have the wholesaler who buys in bulk from the producer. So from the wholesaler to the retailer. Now the retailer buys in smaller quantities from the wholesaler, and then finally you have the consumer that purchases the good for their own use. Now you can see that the final link in this chain are the consumers, and for purpose of emphasis, sometimes you call the consumers the final consumers. So that is option A. Hence the correct answer is A, final consumer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.